8. Tips how to get rid of fruit flies in-house. Fruit flies are attracted to fruit that is ripe, rotting or decaying and produces, and to fermented products such as beer, spice and wine. They can spread illness. The fruit flies are inoffensive. They can live in drains, waste cans and moist mops and rages and breed them. Simple and effective ways are found to quickly get rid of fruit flies. Number 1. Source location. The first thing that you need to do is find out from which flies come. Throw the food out and scrub the area clean when you are hanging around open foodstuffs. To disinfect the area, use a cleaner. Number 2. Clean shared spaces. Check your kitchen sink for the drain. Now is the time to look after it. In warm and damp spaces, fruit flies as if to live. Remove the garbage and remove the cans with a heavy cleaner such as bleach. Before using them again, make sure that the cans are fully dry. Number 3. Plastic wrap and apple cider vinegar. Take apple cider vinegar in a glass or just remove the cap from a bottle. Place plastic wrapping on the opening and secure with a rubber tape. Put some small holes into the fruit flies. You can't resist the vinegar scent, and when you are inside you will not be able to exit. Number 4. The Vinegar and Old Fruit paper cone. Insert some vinegar in the jar and a very ripe chunk of fruit. Roll a piece of paper into a cone, then put it in the jar and open it thoroughly. The scent of rotting produce will help to attract the fruit to the mix, but it is difficult for them to exit from the cone section of this fruit fly trap. Number 5. Beer or old wine. The flows of fruit love the wine's odor. Try to leave the skinny neck out of an open bottle with some residual liquid and hold flies. Add a few drops of dish soap to make sure that you succeed. Number 6. Make a trap jar. Fruit flies like sweet things that rot or that ferment. Test over ripened fruits and old wines. Taste stalked beer or soda. Put it in the pot, put a couple holes in the jar and cover the jar by plastic wrap. You can come in and you can't get out. Number 7. Use the rotten fruit against them. Put the food in a disposable container instead of throwing the rotten or open food out. Plastic wrap on the container. Put in the wrap a few holes, put it where fruit is flying, wait. The flies are supposed to swarm inside the trap. Repeat it until all the fruit flies are gone. Number. Make a pit trap for a pool. Take a disposable container and stir some red wine and dish detergent. Wrap plastic on the container. In the plastic wrap, add small holes. Ensure that the holes are large enough to allow the fruit to fly. The vintage wine should attract the fruit flies, and it's difficult for trapped wines to fly and drown them by combining wine and platter. Keep food storage areas clean and dry in order to prevent future infestations. When it's opened, don't just leave out fresh food. Be sure your waste is taken off and any spills within your trash bins cleaned up regularly.